Hi guys, welcome back to Pound USD daily analysis. So guys, we were selling this yesterday. The whole day yesterday price was just in the range, went nowhere, and just now we broke above the resistance. So that's easy for us. So guys, what we expect on the 15-minute, because we don't have a lot of guidance on the 1H. So we will be using the 15-minute. As long as guys this resistance is working as support, as you can see guys, we are bullish. So coming back to the high time frame chart, so our target would be guys 1.31454. We could go a bit higher as well to 1.31582. And if you break below this, guys, yesterday's low, I guess, would be the target. We could go even lower as well. So I would just have one bearish target, and that would be a big one. And my target would be, guys, 1.30674. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow.